Grayson eating bananas.
How you like them nanners, Bubba? You like them nanners? They're pretty good, huh? Oh, you're doing good, baby.
Do you like nanners, Grayson? Do you like them? Why are you sticking your feet in the camera? Oh no. He said, Mommy, feed me more nanners. He said, Mommy, feed me more nanners. Now your brother's talking, Grayson. You want to go see your brother? See your brother. Gabriel! Hi. 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 Talk. Say hi. Hi. Gabriel. Gabriel. Da-na. You're not smiling. Grayson. What's your brother doing, Grayson? Hi. More nanners are coming.
They're nanners. These are the good stuff, Bubba. You just wait until I give you some peas. Open?
He didn't know.
You want some more now? You ready?
You should have just seen his face. Grayson, don't hide it. Let's just let it go.
You were doing good, Bubba.
Hope you guys enjoyed the little film I put together. And nanners stands for bananas, smushed up bananas for babies. Just to let you know that if you didn't know that. And that was my two little brothers, Gabriel and Grayson. Grayson was the one eating nanners. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!